Hey everyone. Quick question. Have you ever said something in English and your friend gave you that look?
You know, that look, the wait, what did you just say? Face.
Yup. Sometimes we think we're speaking perfect English, but a tiny mistake changes everything.
Exactly. And today we're fixing that. We'll look at 5 super common mistakes that even advanced speakers make, and how you can stop saying them wrong.
This episode will save you from those embarrassing moments and make your English sound more natural.
So stay till the end, because mistake number 5 is one that almost everyone gets wrong.
And before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your English learning friends. Let's get started. Okay, let's start with a classic mistake. People often say, I am agree.
Yeah, but that's not correct. The right way is simply, I agree.
Right. The word agree is a verb, so you don't need am.
Think of it like this, you wouldn't say, I am sleep. You say, I sleep. Same with agree.
Exactly. So instead of, I am agree with you, say, I agree with you.
Let's do a mini example.
I think learning English is fun.
I agree with you.
Simple, right?
So remember, no am. Just, I agree.
Alright, mistake number 2. She is more better.
Oh yes, I hear this one a lot, but it's wrong because better already means more good.
So saying more better is like saying more good.
Exactly. It's too much more.
So instead of, this one is more better, say this one is better.
This pizza is better than the one we had yesterday.
Totally. Yesterday's pizza was so dry.
True story.
So remember, just say better, no more.
Okay, mistake number 3, it's all about verbs. People often say, he do, she do, or it do.
But in English, we must say he does, she does, it does.
Exactly. Because with he, she, it, the verb changes.
Let's do a few examples. He do his homework every day. He does his homework every day. She do yoga in the morning. She does yoga in the morning.
Here's a little trick. If you can say I do, then with he or she, it becomes does.
Right. And in questions, does he like pizza? Not do he like pizza?
Does he like English?
Yes, he does. He loves learning new phrases.
So simple. Does makes your English correct and smooth.
Ooh, this one's a big one.
Yeah, even fluent speakers get this wrong sometimes.
People say, I didn't went to school yesterday.
But after didn't, the verb should be in the base form, not the past form.
Right. So it's, I didn't went. I didn't go.
Diana, did you go shopping yesterday?
No, I didn't go. I stayed home and watched Netflix.
Ah, classic weekend plan.
Yes. So remember, didn't plus base verb. Always.
Okay, now the final mistake, and it's a big one.
Yeah. People often mix up boring and bored.
Let's make it super easy. Boring equals something makes you feel bored. Bored equals how you feel.
So if you say I am boring, you're saying you make other people bored.
That's not what we want, right?
Definitely not. You should say I am bored. Examples. I am boring. I am bored. This movie is bored. This movie is boring.
Diana, how's the movie?
Ugh, it's boring. I'm so bored.
Let's watch something else then.
Yes, let's watch MD English Flow. Okay everyone, it's practice time. We'll say some sentences. You repeat after us.
Ready? Let's go.
I agree with you.
This one is better.
He does his homework every day.
I didn't go to work yesterday.
I'm bored. This movie is boring.
Great job, everyone. You're sounding more natural already.
Keep repeating these sentences until they feel easy and automatic.
You know, Diana, I once said, I am boring on a date.
Oh no. What happened?
She laughed and said, at least you're honest.
Oh, poor Max. That's why we're teaching this lesson today. To save all of you from boring dates.
Yes, English mistakes can be funny, but they can also change the meaning completely.
So today we learned 5 common English mistakes and how to fix them.
Let's quickly recap. 1. I agree, not I am agree. 2. She is better, not more better. 3. He does, not he do. 4. I didn't go, not I didn't went. 5. I'm bored, not I'm boring.
Nice and simple. And remember, making mistakes is part of learning. Don't be afraid to speak.
Exactly. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become.
Tell us in the comments, Which of these mistakes have you made before?
And which one surprised you the most?
We'd love to hear from you.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so more people can learn with us.
Keep practicing, stay confident, and keep your English flowing.
See you next time on MD English Flow. Bye-bye. Waving hand.